In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix media disconnected error message on Windows 11 or on your Windows 10. This should be a quick process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing I suggest you to do is to go to the search menu. Now just go ahead, type in CMD, which is command prompt. Go ahead, run as administrator, as you can see. Now this window will pop up. After that, all you have to do is to write ipconfig, as you can see, //flush DNS. And flush DNS should be written in one word. Now hit enter, and after that, just go ahead and type in NEHE, which is NETS, winsock space reset. After you're done, just hit enter. This message will pop up for you. Now just go ahead, close the Windows command prompt, and this should hopefully fix your problem. Now just go ahead, restart your computer. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.